Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Wi-Fi network name is not showing up on your Android phone, in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can reconnect and get back online. First, swipe down and tap the Wi-Fi icon off and then turn it back on. Also, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix invisible network glitches. For that, hold the power button and tap restart. If your phone is not showing the Wi-Fi but other devices do, try restarting your router instead. Unplug it for 10 seconds, plug it back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. And don't forget to check if SSID is hidden. If it's your own router, log into the router settings using a browser and check if SSID broadcast is turned off. If hidden, you'll have to manually add the network name and password. Another step can be to add Wi-Fi network manually. For that, go to settings and then to connections, go to Wi-Fi, and here tap add network. Here type your Wi-Fi name, choose the correct security type like WPA2 and enter the password and then tap save. If you are far from the router or in an area with many networks, the signal may not appear. Try moving closer to the router and scan again. If it's still not showing up, simply go to settings, scroll down, and find this option called General Management and tap on it. Scroll down and find this option called Reset. Again scroll down and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. This clears all saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings but can fix hidden issues. And that's how you fix the issue of your Wi-Fi network name not showing up on Android. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.